Police discover 5 scrapped stolen vehicles in Kingston. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The Kingston Eastern Police have discovered 5 motor vehicles suspected to have been stolen from various locations, scrapped in a section of Burger Gully, Mountain View, Kingston 3. The discovery was made on Tuesday, April the 1st. According to reports from the Ellison Road Police, officers were conducting operations in the area at approximately 1 p.m. when they came upon the vehicles. During the operation, law enforcement officers searched an isolated premises and found 5 completely scrapped motor vehicles. The suspected stolen vehicles include 2 Nissan AD wagon, 1 white Toyota Probox, 1 Toyota Alliant, 1 grey Toyota Voxy. Meanwhile, the Ellison Road Criminal Investigation Branch is urging individuals who may have had vehicles stolen matching the description to contact them at 876-928-4200, the Police 119 emergency number, or the nearest police station. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.